Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Gemini energy. Okay. Yeah. A lot of impulsivity is gonna happen this week. Kaya ako, if I were you, Gemini, I would take a step back. Ayusin nyo lang, i-organize nyo muna yung thoughts ninyo before moving forward. So this week, Gemini, be careful lang na makapag-commit ka sa isang bagay na parang hindi mo naman pala kayang i-fulfill. Alright? It's because of those impulsivity. It's a roller coaster of emotions, but I'm sure Gemini, you can handle it. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.